Yeah.
Dear Belinda, if you're watching this, thank you for being such a great girl. I love you so much.
I'm scared.
And I hope you have so much fun at the tulip.
I'm
And
scared.
think of me and MySpace me
Why
and
would
Twitter me on MSN.
That's right.
Yeah, what she said.
Cool. I'm scared.
Hey Belinda, I just want to say, like, have like a lot of fun at like
lot
your,
of fun.
shut up, shut up. Your at your new school, like it should be really good, it should be awesome, and like I can't wait to like see you next year and in the holidays and stuff. Have fun. Like yeah, okay.
Don't go out with Robbie again.
Don't see Robbie. Bad girl.
Zoomed right in inside. And I can't get out of it.
Bye, Belinda.
We'll say goodbye in about 2 hours.
We love you, Belinda.
Love you, Belinda. Bye, Belinda. Bye.
Belinda.
Gets out of school.